Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you will be fine. Students, really we are missing you. Students, what can we do, because the situation is very critical. Anyhow, Allah will help us. Pray for this critical condition. Inshallah, with the help of Allah, we will defeat this coronavirus. And come to the point now. Look at this book. This is our fifth week, and this is the book of 5 maths wise. And inshallah, today we will start from the unit number 2. In previous lectures, we have completed the unit number 1, and inshallah, today we will start unit number 2 from the exercise number 1 to exercise number 10, as I have written in the board. Students, in the exercise number 1, the question is as like, which number have 4 in the million place? Students, you already know 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh, as I have written there. Students, 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh, and 1 million we read as 10 lakh. 10 million we can read as 1 crore, and 100 million we can read as 10 crore. Students, just I want to tell you how many digits in the 1 lakh. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 digits in 1 lakh. How many digits in 10 lakhs? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 digits in 10 lakhs, and 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. And how many digits in 1 crore? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits are there in 1 crore, and 1 crore is equal to 10 million. And this is the 100 million. 100 million is equal to the 10 crore. And how many digits in 10 crore? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are complete table for the help, for your help. Students, now we can easily solve this question. Which number have 4 in the million place? Students, 4. This is 4. It means, where is 4 in the million place? 4 is there, 4 is there, and 4 is there. And how many digits in the million place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. It means, where 4 in the 7th number comes, that is the actually answer. Students, look at this. First of all, we can write in this way: ones, for your help, tens, 100, 1000, and this is 10,000. But this is 4 is in the 10,000 place. This 4, ones, tens, 100, 1000. This 4 is the 1000 place. And what about this? This is the 7th digit. And 7th digit, if this 4 is in the 7th number, it means this is the million place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, million, and 100,000 and million. So this is the million place. So we can easily say this is the answer, because this 4 is in the million place. In this way, we have to give the question second. We have to give the expanded form of this number. Student, I have already told you about the expanded form, and this question also you can do by yourself, but in very simple way. I want to tell you how can you do this. Students, as I already told you, so I want to tell you shortly. This is the number 4, 5, 8, 5, 6, 1, 0, 9, 7. Students, first of all, we check where the number lies. Students, first of all we write here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. So how many digits in the 100 place? 100. What is the value of this? What is the value of this? 4 is the 40 crore, means 100 million, 400 million. The value of this 400 million. So this we can write in this way. This is the 400 million, because in 100 million there are how many digits? There are 9 digits. So in this way we can write in this way 9 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Students, next, what is this? We will add now. We will add in the expanded form. We will mark the sign of addition. Now, what is the value of 5? This 5. The value of this 5 is the 10 million. So we can write in this way. How many digits are there in the 10 million? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In the 100 million there are 9 digits, but in the 10 million there are 8 digits. This is the actually the place value of this 5 is the 50 million. Students, next, plus. What is the value of this? 8. The value of 8 is 8 million. In this way, what is the value of this 5? This 5 value is 5. This is the 500,000. So we can write in this way 500,000. What is the value of this 6? This is the this 6 is the 10,000 place. The value of this 60,000. So we can write in this way 60,000. In this way, this one is the in 1000 place. The value of this one is 1000. What is this 0? The value of this 0 is the 100. We can write it as 0, because the value of, if I put 2 0 are here, so it's not right, because the value of the 0 0 0 and the value of the 0 are same. Now this is the 90. The value of this 9 is 90 because it is 10th place. The value of this is 7. Students, now this is the expanded form of this standard form. So in this way you can do this question. And next, write in words. Students, this is also so easy. Write in words. This number you can write easily in words. As I have told you this table, you can write in this way. Next, question number 4. What is the place value of 2 in this number? What is the place value of 2? This is 2, and you can easily judge. You can easily find out the place value of 2 in this method. Okay, student? In this method, as I have write the place value 4, 5, 6, 8, 4, 5, 8, 5. These are the place values. So write, fifth question is write in standard form. Students, 345 million. You can write the number firstly, and afterward you will write the standard form. This is the question 345 million. This is in words. You will write in numerals firstly. After that you will write in the standard form. Students, as you are looking here, this is the standard form and this is the expanded form. It is so easy. Notes will be provided to you and you can take help from the notes also. Students, this exercise are very easy. If you do practice, it will be more easy for you to solve. Okay, come to the exercise number 2. Student, exercise number 2. All exercise give the standard form. I think I have to told you one question for this exercise number 2 for the standard form, and rest of the question you can do by yourself. So I have to told you. Now look at this table, and we have these digits. This is the 700 million, because this is, I have written the 100 million here. This is 700 million, 748 million. We can read in this way, 748 million, because this is the million box, this is the thousand box, this is the unit box, this is the billion. Students, we can see in the unit box, in the ones box, we have 3 digits. In thousand box, we also have 3 digits. In million box, we also have 864, and these are also 3 digits. In this way, we can take a part of million, billions, millions, thousand, and units, and it will be easy for us to read. Students, in the Arab periods, in the Arab countries, used to follow the crore period, but it is not used anymore. In this form, lakh, crore, crores, their Arab period, these terms are used to read the digits, to read the words, to read the numbers. Okay, but now it is not read and used anymore. Students, and the exercise number 2, this is the question. Give the standard form for. This is the numbers, and we have to write the standard form of this. Students, we have already, I have told you easily, when we have to when we have to convert any form to the standard form, we can just add the numbers. For example, if we add this and this and this number, this is the 123 million. We can write in this way. 123 million. How many digits are million? 123 million means we have write 6 more digits. This is the 123. For example, here I can write 123. These are the 123 million. And this is the 453,000. These digits come in the thousand box. 453. And what is the 298? This will come in the unit box. So now we can easily add 123,453,000 in this way, and 298. And when we add the numbers, students, we get this number. So it is the standard form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 98. This is the standard form. In this way, you can convert any number into the standard form. This is so easy, students. Look at this question. Exercise number 2, question number 1. Question number 1, 123,453,298. Students, I have done this question on the board, and rest of the question you can do by yourself. And exercise number 3. What is this? Write the following in words. Students, look at this number. This is how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 10 digits. So how can we read this number? For example, here I can write in this one, through these boxes I want to do you. This is the question is this 0, 5, 8, 6, 6, 9, 2, 6, 7 and 5. I have written the question here in the box. So how can we read? How can we write in this question into the words? Let's see. This is the 5 billion. We can write this question as in this way. This is the 5 billion. So we can write in this way. 5 billion. Now we can put the comma here, or we can't or not. It is up to you. 5 billion 762 million. 762 million. Now this million box is completed. Now read this. 966,000. 66,000. Now 1000 box is completed. Next 850. We can write here and 850. This and will not come here in this way. 5,762,966,850. So in this way, I have written this first question in words. Similarly, the rest of the question of exercise number 3 you can do by yourself, and for the exercise number 4 I want to tell you what is this. Put commas according to the international place value system. Students, what is the international place value system? As you are looking on the board this chart, this is the international place value chart. Students, we often use this chart in Pakistan and some other South Asian countries. These lag periods follow the 1000 period. This lag period follow the 1000 periods. But in this way, million, billion, thousand units are a period used to follow the crore period, but it is not used anymore. Actually, this is the international place value chart, and in this through this chart, I will tell you where comma will you put between the values. First of all, exercise number 4. First question is, the book is given here. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 0, 0, 4. So students, through this chart, question number 1. It is very simple to convert the international place value chart. Through the international place value chart, we divide in this way, in the three digits. For example, I have in the unit, in this unit box we have 3 digits. Similarly, in the 1000 box we have again 3 digits, and million we have again 3 digits. In this way, we can start from the right side, in this side. When we start from the right side, these 3 digits, after these 3 digits, we put the comma here. Okay? Next, again 3 digits, again 3, after 3 digits we put the comma here, and again after 3 digits we put the comma here. In this way, we separate the digits according to the international place value chart. This is the international. This is separated according to the international place value chart. In this way, students, you can do all the question by yourself. For example, question number 2. I have written the question number 2 in this way. I'm going to write. Similarly, we put the comma here after the 3 digit. If I start from the right side, after 3 digit, again after 3 digit, in this way. So students, 2 questions, question number 1 and question number 2 of the exercise number 4 I have done, but the remaining question you will do at home. Okay, next exercise number 5. Students, exercise number 5, which is also so easy, you have done in the previous lectures and in the previous classes as well. This is the greater sign. You have to put the sign. This is sign and this sign and this sign. What is this sign? This is the less than. And what is this? This is the greater. Less, greater and equal. Students, check the numbers. Which is greater? If this number is greater than this number, you have to compare the number. Comparison these numbers, the number which is greater, you put the sign. If, for example, if the number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 6, 5 is the first question of exercise number 1, exercise number 5. And this next one, 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 0, 0, 0. So, what is, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It means both digits are equally. So, we will, first of all, we will compare the first digit. First digit is 2 and this. In this number, the first digit is 5. So it means this is the less than and this is the greater. And this is the less than this number. So this is the less than sign. We can put the less than sign here. Similarly, in this way you can do all these exercises by yourself. Now next come to the exercise number 6. Exercise number 6, arrange in an ascending order. Students, I have already told you in the previous lecture and in previous classes you have learned how to arrange in the descending order the numbers. What is ascending order and descending order? Ascending order is the number which is start from the smallest to the greatest. So when I start to solve this first question, so first of all we check the small, which is the number, which number is the smallest number. Either this number is smaller, either this number is smaller or this number is smaller. The number which is smaller, we will start from that number and next greater number and next we will write the greatest number. Okay students, in this way you can do by yourself this exercise also. And next exercise is the exercise number 6. Oh good, that's very good. Students, it is so easy exercise. I think you will be very happy to see this exercise. You can do by yourself at your home. This is just addition question. You find the sum. It means you have to add the values. The values are given on the book and you just add them. Okay? And the exercise number 8 is also very easy. You just subtract the values. And you will complete, in this way you will complete the exercise number 7 and exercise number 8. And exercise number 9 is also very easy. Arrange the column and find the sum or difference, means both, sum and difference both, of each of the following numbers. Add commas if you need to. Students, look at, I am going to solve the first question. Learn carefully. Students, look carefully, how can I add this question or subtract? This is the question number 1 of exercise number 9. Students, according to the question, arrange in columns. I have to arrange in the column wise. As I have to write from the I have to write from the right side in this way: 2, 6, 1, 9, 1, 5. The digit will come under the digit. 7, 3, 4, 8, 7, 6, 9, 9, 5. Students, now what you look? How many digits are there? 9 digits. But how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just 8 digits. And how many digits are there? These digits are also 9. So what can be put here? We can put here 0. So now you can, in this way you can add the question. Okay students? Similarly, the question number 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 you can do by yourself. For example, question number 7, 50 million. So you have to write here 50 million. Complete number. After that, minus 9,999,999. I can write in this way. This is the 50 million, 9,999,000 and 999. This is the 50 million. So how many digits are there in the million? There are 8 digits in 50 millions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the total digits of 8. And this is the 999. We will start from the right side. 999. This is the 1000 box. So we will start from the 1000. 999,000 and 999. And next million will come here. So there are 7 digits in here. So first of all we will subtract 9,999,000 and 999 from the 50 million. In this way you can subtract the question. So students, rest of the questions you can do by yourself. And exercise number 10, it is also very easy exercise. When you will read all the information are given to you. These are cities and these are populations. And what is the question? For example, first question is, which city has the largest population? It is so easy. Check this, compare these numbers, compare this population, and you will find the largest population. In this way, you can do all these questions by yourself. Notes will be provided to you for your help. If you have any problem, you can consult from the account office in the school. So students, now your 5th lecture is completed. Inshallah, we will start from the 11th exercise in the next lecture. Students, take care of yourself. Inshallah, we will see you in the next lecture, and do practice from exercise. This is your homework, students. Do practice of exercise 1 to 10 from unit 2. Students, this will be the homework for you and you have to do it. You have to do practice from exercise number 1 to 10. Okay students, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.